Hi, Preston Sandlin here with Home Inspection Carolina, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about breakers. Breakers are designed, you find these in your panel box. The whole idea of breakers is to protect your house and keep it from catching on fire. So basically when your house is pulling a certain amount of current or amperage, if it gets above what it should be, these breakers should trip. And it'll stop flowing and keep your house from catching on fire. Now, I want to talk today about some breakers that aren't very good. These are Federal Pacific breakers. They were used in homes up until the 1990s. They're just bad news. A lot of lawsuits, fires. Actually, Federal Pacific, the electricians actually call them Fire Pacific. Couple of things, they just wouldn't trip was the bottom line. Too much current would start coming through or amperage would start coming through, and they literally would not trip. You can identify these. The breakers themselves will usually have an orange, depending on the amperage or whatever, different colors. You can see that I've got a 15 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp breakers here. They're stab lock, and that's part of the problem with them, is the way they connect into the panel. Let me show you also the way you can identify it by the panel is you can see here, it'll say Federal Pacific. Let's see, also inside you might see, I think there was, Federal Pacific Electric Company. It's now defunct, which, apparently, I dug into it. They got approved. They did a little cheating on their testing or whatever to get their UL testing or whatnot. But the bottom line is Federal Pacific breakers are, if you have them, you should replace them because they've been known to just not trip and cause fires. That's one thing we look for in home inspections. Federal Pacific breakers have a couple other names, stab lock, things like that. So check out your panel box. Just make sure you don't have Federal Pacific. Please follow us if you're not already. Subscribe will be here on here. Lots more videos that are helpful out there, things to look out for, and home maintenance tips and things like that. This is Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina. Thank you for watching.